Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, your ultimate destination for all things cleaning. If you're serious about transforming the way you clean in 2024, you're in for a treat. Whether you're managing a facility, a cleaning professional, or simply someone who's tired of inefficient, time-consuming cleaning methods, today's video will completely change the game. We're diving into 5 powerful cleaning hacks that will save you time, cut down your cleaning costs, and help you take better care of the planet. So grab your gloves, your mop, or just a notepad because you're going to want to remember these tips. Now let's kick things off with hack number 1, the zoned cleaning method. This is perfect for anyone who feels overwhelmed by the sheer size of the space they need to clean. If you're trying to tackle everything at once, stop. It's inefficient, and you end up doing a little bit here, a little bit there, without actually completing anything thoroughly. The key is to divide your facility or space into zones. Think about it like this. Instead of doing a bit of dusting here and wiping a counter there, devote your Monday to cleaning just the floors. Focus solely on sweeping, mopping, or vacuuming every area in your facility. Tuesday could be windows and doors, while Wednesday might be all about high-touch surfaces like light switches, door handles, and desks. By the end of the week, you've covered everything, but in an organized, methodical way. It keeps you from burning out, ensures that every zone gets equal attention, and, most importantly, keeps the facility consistently clean. Trust me, this hack alone will transform how you approach large-scale cleaning. Now on to hack number 2. Eco-friendly, multi-purpose cleaners. If you're still using separate products for every different surface or task, it's time to simplify. 2024 is all about being eco-friendly and efficient, and luckily, there are tons of multi-purpose cleaning products that are both. Look for concentrated, plant-based formulas. These bad boys can clean countertops, floors, and bathrooms all in one go, saving you not just time, but also money. Fewer products mean less waste and more space in your cleaning closet. The best part? These products are often non-toxic and safe for the environment. And don't worry about sacrificing cleaning power. Modern, eco-friendly cleaners are just as tough on grime as traditional chemicals, but without the harmful side effects. So you're keeping your facility, your staff, and the planet safe, all while simplifying your routine. Moving on to hack number 3, microfiber magic. If you're not already using microfiber cloths, you're missing out on one of the most versatile, cost-effective tools in the cleaning world. Microfiber cloths are fantastic at picking up dust, bacteria, and even the smallest particles of dirt. They trap grime instead of just pushing it around, which means fewer passes over the same surface. They can be used dry for dusting or dampened with a little water or cleaner for wiping down counters, glass, and stainless steel. And here's the kicker. They're washable and reusable. Instead of going through mountains of paper towels or disposable wipes, just toss your microfiber cloths in the laundry, and they're ready to use again. Less waste, more savings, and a better clean. It's a win-win-win. Have a few microfiber cloths dedicated to different tasks, one for bathrooms, one for general surfaces, and one for glass. And you'll be amazed at how much faster and more efficiently you can get through your cleaning. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty with hack number 4. Tackling tough stains and messes. We all know how frustrating it can be when a mess just won't come up, no matter how hard you scrub. But instead of exhausting yourself, let's work smarter. For grease or oil spills, here's a simple trick. Sprinkle some baking soda on the stain. It acts like a sponge, absorbing the grease and making it much easier to wipe away. For coffee stains on countertops or even carpets, mix a little hydrogen peroxide with dish soap. Apply it to the stain, and let it sit for a few minutes before blotting it up. It's magic. And don't forget about the ultimate cleaning hero, vinegar. Vinegar is a natural, powerful cleaner that can dissolve limescale, cut through soap scum, and even shine your faucets. Pro tip: always let your cleaning solution sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. This gives the solution time to break down the dirt, so you're not scrubbing endlessly. Let the cleaner do the hard work, so you don't have to. Finally, we've got hack number 5. Organize your cleaning tools like a pro. Now, this may sound basic, but staying organized is one of the most overlooked aspects of cleaning efficiently. Think about it. How many times have you wasted minutes, or even hours, looking for the right product or tool in a cluttered closet or cart? Organizing your cleaning supplies can actually save you loads of time. First, declutter. Get rid of any old or expired products that aren't serving you anymore. Then, invest in a good cleaning caddy or cart and organize your tools based on how often you use them. Put your most used items, like all-purpose cleaners and microfiber cloths, front and center. Group similar tools together, like brushes, sponges, and sprays, so you can grab what you need quickly and get to work. You can even label containers or use color-coded bins to separate products for specific zones, like kitchen supplies versus bathroom supplies. When everything has its place, your workflow becomes smooth, and you'll never be slowed down by disorganization again. So, there you have it. 5 facility cleaning hacks that will completely change the way you approach cleaning in 2024. From zoning your tasks to using eco-friendly products, harnessing the power of microfiber, mastering tough stains, and keeping your tools organized, these tips will help you clean smarter, not harder. If you found these hacks helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future cleaning tips and tricks. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we drop our next video. We're always sharing new ways to make your cleaning routine easier, faster, and more effective. And hey, if you've got a cleaning hack that's worked wonders for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and who knows, your tip might even make it into a future video. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay clean, stay organized, and I'll see you next time here on Dan the Cleaning Man channel.